On whites, always be careful not to over-torch. Over-torching can yellow them. They'll even yellow long-term if you over-torch them. And the only goal with a torch is to burst air bubbles on a white. You're not trying to do anything extra. If you're concerned that you might over-torch it because you're not experienced with it, you could always just spray alcohol instead. A clear 99% IPA, isopropyl alcohol, works just as good.
Mm-hmm.